Welcome to the Delivered Cost Modeling Workshop. My name's John Hoagland, and I'm going to host this workshop. And if there are any questions, please feel free to contact me at my phone number and or my email address, which you can find in the syllabus. This workshop is really designed around a half-day short course in which we're going to talk about the delivered cost modeling concept and what's new and inventive about this approach versus other approaches. We're going to use ArcGIS ESRI's suite, but ArcGIS ArcMap, and a new set of tools from the RMS Raster utility to facilitate this analysis. And in this workshop, we're going to discuss topics such as the tools themselves, the RMS Raster utilities. We're going to get familiar with the concept and idea behind this new approach to quantifying the delivered costs. And we're going to get familiar with batch processing and discuss inputs and updates. How do we actually use the forms? How do we walk through, a series of examples? And the example that we're really going to be highlighting is an example in California in the Stanislaus, where we're trying to quantify delivered cost and other revenues and incomes associated with coming up with an optimized modeling procedure to look at different prescriptions across the landscape and different scenarios across the landscape. And so we're really doing this for the ForSys-X optimization modeling approach, but we're going to focus in on the delivered cost aspect of it and some of the functionality of the RMS Raster utility toolbar. So we've got some exercises that are built around some data sets. The first set of exercises are really focused towards just downloading and getting everything installed, and then how do you customize the toolbar. And then we're going to focus on how do we actually get to these data sets that we want to look at and use for learning how to actually implement the tools and the strategy. And then we're going to really focus in on a new coding approach that I've developed, which I'm calling batch processing, and the scripting and what that actually allows for in terms of GIS analysis and batch processing. And we're going to use that to really get a more of a complex example that describes how we can really fine-tune our questions and address our spatial modeling to address those questions. So go check out the Classworks tab, and let's go check out the syllabus.